Newly crowned Miss Earth 2022, grabe din ang bibig, bumubula at nanlalamon ng mikropono. Matapos nga ang live outdoor grand coronation ng Miss Philippines Earth ngayong araw ay kinoronahan si Jenny Ramp from Santa Ignacia, Tarlac as the new Miss Philippines Earth 2022, Miss Philippines Air si Jim M. Temper from Hasaan, Misamis Oriental, Miss Philippines Water na si Angel Santos from Trece Martires, Cavite at Miss Philippines Fire na si Ereka Vinatan, from Legazpi City. Kinoronahan naman bilang Miss Ecotourism si Nis Lampad from Bayugan City, samantala narito ang kanyang sagot na nagpanalo sa kanya. Let's watch and please subscribe.
#evolution. As time goes on and history goes on, we see evolution. We see change within our politics, and we see change and evolution in our day-to-day lives. But as humans and as citizens of the Philippines, let's use this to our good, and let's continue to have a greater future by working together as a nation. Thank you.
Santa Ignacia Tarlac, Jenny Ramp. Jenny, are you ready for your question? Oh, you should be. Your final question would be, life is a constant battle. What battle or battles are you facing?
The battle that I am currently facing is against myself. Every single day I strive to be the better version of myself. And during this pageant, I certainly battled myself. I was dealt with insecurities, I felt alone, but this empowered me to do better for myself, for my family, for my friends, for the environment, and for all my friends and supporters watching me today. I hope that I have made you proud, and I hope that I have conquered the battlefield for us all.